In this video, I'm going to show you basically the patterns and what Susie taught me, and I'm going to put the link below. I ran out of supplies, so I'm going to basically give you the best information possible. I did want to mention that the colors of the roses does matter. If you want to go dark to light or light to dark, that's basically how it works when you're making these roses. So I'm going to give you a brief description of it. There's the roses. I ended up making 6. So the supplies you need: scissors, a hot glue gun. I ran out of glue sticks. So that's why I'm referring you over to Susie's channel, because she taught me how to do this. And I show you basically that 3 of the coffee filters are already folded. One's already folded. And 2 filters are already folded. And you need a paper towel to make the bud. And I used a skewer. You're actually supposed to use a floral wire for it. I just didn't have floral wire. And you don't forget floral tape. So make sure your preparation is set. I just wanted to put it together so quick, so I was eager. I had a lot of coffee filters. Okay, so I cut them out, and I'm showing you by cutting them out. I also have to cut the petals, so I'll show you that here in a second. I'm doing this one-handed by doing video. This is the one you don't cut. And I show you to leave it over to the side. The only 2 that you cut are the ones that I'm showing you that are in front. The one I left over to the side is going to be something you do not cut. It'll be your base. There are going to be 8 petals to that, and there's going to be 4 petals to the other. So there's 4 petals there. You're going to cut all 3 and then 1 all the way. So those 3 are going to be 3/4 cut. The one is going to go all the way. See that? You'll learn this in the video when you're watching Susie's video, if you're serious about doing something like this. Okay, so I'm going to push this over, and I'm going to show you the same thing with the ones that I cut. There are 8 petals. All of them are cut 3/4 of the way, and then there's one that's cut all the way. If you were to cut them all the way, you'd lose all the petals, so you don't want to do that. Remember, you're going to be folding and gluing them onto the bud. And you see that it's all whole, so there's no cutting. No scissors, no cutting. And that's it. And this is where you start making the bud, by using a piece of paper towel. And I use a skewer. Like I said, you do not want to do it that way unless you have to. And that's how I ended up with 6 roses. And I recommend Susie highly.